Hello, everyone, and welcome to the May Coyote Community Connection. Our focus for this broadcast is the Military Spouse Appreciation Day, which will be held tomorrow, May 6th. People are the Army's greatest strength and our number one priority. Similar to the children we featured in last month's program, military spouses are also an integral part of the Army family. Fort Hunter Liggett recognizes and celebrates Army spouses for their strength, loyalty, and commitment to our soldiers and our Army. Ready and resilient Army spouses routinely put the welfare of soldiers, families, and the nation above their own. The Army has a holistic approach to soldier and family readiness and provides programs and services to enhance physical, financial, mental, and social well-being, all important components of readiness. Fort Hunter Liggett is committed to providing the best care, support, and services for Army families by improving their quality of life. Here on the installation, we hold quarterly resident town halls to keep families informed and provide a platform for them to ask questions. We have a self-help store for residents to borrow or use small household items. The Army Community Services offers many programs from financial counseling, resume writing, new parent support groups, relocation and employment, and much, much more. The Sexual Assault Response Coordinator is very active in promoting an environment of dignity and respect and educating the Fort Hunter Liggett community on how to report an incident and take action to stop sexual harassment. We also have a chapel for religious services and programs. We have a dedicated emergency services to keep the installation safe. Family Morale, Welfare, and Recreation Directorate provides many morale boosting and fitness enhancing programs. And we have the volunteer team of Community Initiatives Group that hosts many special events to keep residents engaged. I am extremely proud to be a part of the Fort Hunter Liggett family. Next up is a video of some Fort Hunter Liggett family members to give you a glimpse of what it's like to be a military spouse.
Hi, my name is Nicole Loth. My husband, Major Christopher Loth, is the HHC commander here at the U.S. Army Garrison, Fort Hunter Liggett. My favorite part about being a military spouse is exploring new areas and making new friendships and memories. My least favorite part about being a military spouse is missing friends and family during special events back home.
Hi everyone, my name is Norma Salgado and I have been a military spouse for the last 16 years. My husband is Staff Sergeant Patricio Salgado, who's currently assigned to the 356 Logistics Support Battalion here at Fort Hunter Liggett. What I like best about being a military spouse is the opportunity to be relocated to a new location, and as a family we make new memories, and along the way we make new friends as well. What I like least about being a military spouse is the transition process that our children go through while we are being relocated. Being a military spouse is a memorable experience. However, nothing comes without its challenge, and it will test your ability to run your life and the life of your family. Therefore, it allows your spouse to focus on his duties and his mission for his unit.
Now, for a quick recap of our April events. We celebrated the Army Reserve's 114th birthday with an event on April 27th, which included guest speakers from Senator Laird's office, Assemblymember Rivas, and Monterey County District 3 Supervisor Lopez's offices. I'd like to thank them for the certificates of recognition to honor this occasion and the Army Reserve. The event also included a cake cutting ceremony and a signing ceremony of an intergovernmental support agreement with the California Conservation Corps. These agreements, known as an IGZA for short, are between the Army and a state or local government that serve the best interests of both parties and improve installation support services for mission, soldier, and family readiness. They are very important to Fort Hunter Liggett and saves the Army money which can then be reinvested in soldiers and readiness. We also posted Army Reserve birthday shout-outs and a special lunch at the dining facility for the community. We hosted several events to celebrate the month of the military child, culminating in a main event filled with fun games and activities, a parade, and a fun run. Our Child Youth Services staff also hosted many fun activities at their facilities throughout the month. Many thanks to the Fort Hunter Liggett Commissary for generously volunteering their time and providing fruit and water for the fun run participants. Additionally, the Religious Support Office and FMWR teamed up to start Fort Hunter Liggett's track and field fun team, promoting the importance of sportsmanship, teamwork, health, fitness, love, and respect for one another while having fun working together. The Garrison Sexual Harassment and Assault Response and Prevention, otherwise known as SHARP, office hosted a wide range of programs throughout April as part of the Sexual Assault Awareness and Prevention Month campaign. Prevention starts with you. Programs included daily trivia emails, social media posts for people to wear teal and share photos, strikeout sexual assault bowling tournament, community resource event, and an escape room event. We also had a very special presentation from the Center for Respect, which provided a Mission is Transformation training at the Post Theater on April 12th. All the fun and interactive events were designed to provide tools on how to create respectful environments at work or in personal relationships. All that said, I want to stress that there is absolutely no place at Fort Hunter Liggett for sexual harassment or assault. I urge you to do your part to foster a positive work environment and put a stop to unacceptable behaviors. Command Sergeant Major Flukinger and I also signed a proclamation to support Child Abuse Prevention Month. If you are concerned for a child's safety, it is time to act. If you see something, say something. Please reach out for support during stressful times. Parenting resources are available at no cost from the First 5 California Children and Families Commission at www.ccfc.california.gov or call 1-800-KIDS-025. Our chaplains and the Family Advocacy Manager are here to assist. We had a special visitor all the way from the Philippines in April. Lieutenant General Romero Bronner of the Philippine Army came to learn about our capabilities and strengthen relations with our allies. On April 13th, our energy manager, Jared Ross, and I went on the road again. I was honored to be one of the guest speakers on the When the Grid Goes Down panel during the AUSA conference in Virginia. Additionally, the DPW team hosted a very informative event for Earth Day on April 22nd with a presentation and displays to showcase what our public works does to help Fort Hunter Liggett be good stewards of our natural resources and have an energy, water, and waste resilient and sustainable program. Working with the environmental team, our public affairs office produced a very nice video to highlight some of the natural resources and endangered and threatened species found at our installation. And the grand finale for April was our youth fishing derby and spring fest. Hundreds of people from several counties participated in the fishing derby and got to fish for free that day, thanks to the dedicated FMWR team and the volunteers and sponsors for making this a very successful event. This month, in addition to celebrating Military Spouse Appreciation Day, we'll also be celebrating Asian Pacific Islanders Heritage Month and joining the King City VFW for the Memorial Day observation at the King City Cemetery. Okay, next up is the FMWR Roll-Up for May. I hope to see you at some of these events.
Hello, Fort Hunter Liggett community. So my name is Kyle Wesley. I'm your new marketing coordinator. So I want to give you guys a brief look into what's going to happen for this month. So two big events is going to be the Luau, and the other one's going to be the Asian Pacific Heritage Observance that we do have coming on this month. So be prepared for it. It's going to be a lot going down, but I want you guys to all be prepared. Can't wait to see you guys there. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us for the Coyote Community Connection. Our next broadcast will be on June 2nd. Until then, remember to take care of yourself, take care of your family, and take care of our mission. Coyote Strong and Coyote 6 out.